Come on, you know this little route back to yours now. This one going. Is he going to park in?
Is it?
Turn? Doesn't know, does it? Press your horn once. Sound? Good. Off you go. We're through. That's fine. This one in front is an utter idiot. Might be on the phone or anything, so
Just be careful.
pay attention. They've just moved out round the bus lane when it's not a bus lane anymore as well. So with the red car signalling to turn right, what would you expect this F-wit to do? Yeah, come back in. So you can spot the problems a mile off a lot of the time.
Yeah.
Even now, be careful. If they continue, he may have even come straight on. Have a look in your mirror. Which way are they going?
He's turning.
He's not.
No, he's coming straight, isn't he?
So do you see they're a problem, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you can spot them a mile off.
Yeah. It's dangerous, that.